back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today is Wednesday, and for today's video, I actually have a thrift haul for you guys. Everything is set up in the kitchen, but before I get to that, I wanted to show you the brand new product that I just got in from Redesign with Prima. Now, if you were following me when I got in my first batch of the new release, I hadn't been able to order everything off of the Q1 release. So these are items that I didn't have previously that are new to my shop and that I wanted to share with you today. So I'm going to show them to you. The first few items are their decor poly, and I have to say I've used the decor poly once. I absolutely love it. I think it's a fantastic product. If you like the look of molds, but you just really don't want to have to mess with clay or resin or buy a bunch of molds or any of that kind of stuff, have to wait for dry times, the decor poly is a great way to circumvent all of that and just have beautiful appliques to apply directly to your pieces of furniture or your smalls, whatever you want to do. They're bendable. You don't have to use heat. They are just bendable the way they come. You can cut them apart. They come a really nice base, kind of dark grayish brown, so you can use gold wax right over them and put them on a product just the way they are if you want. They're a neat way to add dimension and texture and beauty to a piece without, like I said, all the mess of molds and all the things that you need to fill them. So I'm going to show you, like I said, what I have. So the first one is called Timeless Petals. It's a smaller one. They look like this when you get them, and then you can see on the back that is what it looks like out of the package. But like I said, they're kind of a darker gray. They're just really dimensional and beautiful. And these roses are small enough you could use them on just about anything. So really love them. Then the next ones, I'm actually going to put the rest of these down so I can show you these two. Yes. So these are called Serene Perch, and there is a left and a right. This is right and this is left. So there are two different molds or appliques, one facing one way and one facing the other. So if you wanted to do these on doors on each side of your piece, they would both face different directions instead of, you know, how it looks funny if you've got birds facing this way and then on the other side they're also facing the same way. This kind of takes that problem away. So I'll show you what they look like up close. So that is the entire mold that you get. And so you can see they're exactly the same, just backwards of one another. So just a really cool way, again, to add some dimension to a piece. And I absolutely love the little birds. They're super cute. Then these two, this one is called Earthreal Bouquet. It's beautiful roses. So that is what that one looks like. And again, they come like this in the package. And then lastly is this one called Petals in Harmony. This one comes with 4 smaller little decor polys all in one pack, which is kind of cool. So you can see here, you get all 4 of these, and again, they look like this when you get them. So just a really cool product, I think. I'm really kind of going through my head, or my stash in my head, trying to come up with a piece that I can use these on for you guys. I've got a couple dressers in there and a desk, so we'll see. I'll come up with something though. And then lastly, drop this on the floor. I got in one of the transfers that I did not get in last time. This one is called Spring Serenade. It speaks back to the blues like some of the other ones did, and I sold out of those pretty quickly. So I'm thinking you guys are liking the blues, so I went ahead and grabbed this one too. And this one, you can see, has all of these beautiful, I mean, there's just a ton of gorgeous, smaller little blue florals to use on just about anything. You could use these on smalls. You could put them together and add them for a larger effect on a bigger piece. But again, just a really pretty, beautiful kind of French blue. So I went ahead and grabbed these two. So that is it for the brand new product. And then obviously I've also restocked all of the things that I was out of. So I am fully stocked on everything. So if you're in need of any Redesign with Prima products, you can check those out at www.theeclecticcottagespokane.com. And now let's get on over to my thrift haul for you guys. All right, so here we are back in the kitchen with my thrift haul. This is honestly 2 weeks worth of stuff here, you guys. Plus there's a few items that were actually given to me. Not a lot of things, but I feel like everything that I got was really a good find. And so that makes me happy. And there's an item that's missing from this, and it's actually too big. It was too big to have in the filming. So I am going to take some video of that at the very end and show it to you at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. But I'm going to go ahead and just dive in to these things. I found this little bottle. If you watched my last, I think, thrift haul, I had found another bottle with a corked lid from Canada that kind of matches this one. Little different shape. This was $2.99. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it and put it with the other one and see what happens. So grab that. The stein is for my son. He collects these, and my husband, he looks for them every time we go out. I'm pretty sure at some point my son's wife is going to tell us to stop buying him steins, but until that time, my husband's determined to keep finding them for him, so we got him this one. This, I knew what it was when I saw it because I actually had a yellow one in my cottage that I sold a while back that matched this. This is Anchor Haugen. It's a vintage picture. It's very, very pretty. My last one was yellow. This one's clear, obviously, but can you imagine this with some pretty pink liquid in it or yellow liquid? I just think it'd be beautiful. And so I went ahead and grabbed this. It was $5.99. The pillow was actually a gift from a friend that I met thrifting, honestly, and she and I are always at the same Goodwill on Sunday morning at exactly the same time, so we've kind of made friends with each other, and so she brought me a few things this last time. She cleans houses, and sometimes people are throwing away nice things, and so she thought I might like these, so I grabbed this pillow from her. And then she also gave me this set of utensils, wood utensils. I'm going to put this in a crock out with my charcuterie boards. I thought they were cute. And then this little framed piece of art. I think it came from Michael's originally. The only thing about it is it's got this fabric around the frame, which is cute. My worry is dirt. It's always dirt, you guys. But I don't think I'm really going to do anything with this. I think I'm going to just clean it up and put it out just the way it is and see what happens. Then I found this gorgeous plate. I just thought this was so pretty. I love this weird little round detail around the edge. I think it's just gorgeous. Love the roses in the middle. This goes with a couple of the teapots that I've picked up recently. And I Google lensed it. It's nothing hugely valuable or anything, but I just thought it was beautiful and I couldn't leave it behind. So I went ahead and grabbed it, and for $4.99, I should be able to at least make a little bit of money on it. So we'll see. Then I picked up this sled. I know I'm not supposed to be buying things that I have to stash in my collection, I guess you can call it. But I loved the form of this, and I'm just thinking some pretty decoupage paper over this with maybe a little sign or some molds for Christmas will be super cute. So for $4.99, I went ahead and grabbed it. This planter, I'm always on the hunt for gardening things. This one was $7.99. It was originally $27.99. I honestly think I'm probably going to paint this just because it is a little bit kind of rough and worn, and it would be a good opportunity, I guess, to put some pretty paint on it, maybe just dress back to those flowers, or wax and put wax in the details. We'll see what I come up with. But anyway, for $7.99, I went ahead and grabbed it. These are nothing special either. They're not silver, but they were $1.99 each. I just thought they were cute. I liked the form of them, and I'm a sucker for silver and brass, and so I went ahead and grabbed both of them. And I'll show you guys this. This I thought was absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous, gorgeous painting. It has the artist's information on the back of the gallery it was from, in Oregon, or Ocean Park, Washington, sorry. And it's very nicely framed. I don't know if I want to paint the frame on this one, you guys. What do you think? Should I just leave it? My only issue is there's a couple little spots where you can see it's a resin frame, so you can see where the copper's worn off in a couple spots and the white is shining through, but I think I could probably use my copper patina and fix it. So you guys tell me in the comments, should I paint it or leave it? Let me know. Now this guy I saw from afar and I thought it was very, very interesting and just kind of cool. I Google lensed this, and these go for quite a bit of money online. I was pretty shocked, honestly. I think it was $9.99 for this guy. And again, I just thought it was cool. Definitely needs a bath. It's very, very dusty, so I'll give it a good spray. And then I'm not going to do a darn thing to this, you guys. I'm going to put it out just the way it is. You know, I love the gardening stuff. This was $7.99 as well. It's a beautiful little birdhouse. Love this metal piece on the top, and the fact that it actually is a working birdhouse. I get so annoyed when there are birdhouses that don't actually open anywhere, and so it's pointless. You can't actually use them as a birdhouse. So it's always nice when they actually have a door. This again was $7.99, and I just love the color, so I went ahead and grabbed it. I found this vase. I love these. I have one of this exact same vase in a ivory color. I'm not sure where they came from originally. I know they're not hugely special or vintage or anything like that, but I think they're pretty, and I like putting flowers in them, so that's basically why I got it, and it was only $1.99. This guy, I picked up its bigger counterpart just a couple weeks ago, that's gold, that looks just like this. So now I have a big one and a little one that are the same, and this was only $3.99, so I was excited to find that. Don't know if I'm going to leave them silver and gold. We'll see what happens, but for $3.99, I figured it was worth, you know, the chance that I would paint it eventually. Pumpkins, of course. This one I thought was so cool. It is just all this wickery stuff, and it was only 99 cents, and it's in great shape. There's nothing wrong with it that I could find, other than, again, it's just a little dusty, needs a good bath, and then it's ready to go. And I liked the very natural feel of this one. And this one, same thing. This happened to be a pink tag, which was half off. And I am not a big fan of these guys, but for 99 cents, I just couldn't pass it up. So I will store these, bathe them later on down the line, and put them out with my fall decor. And then the last thing in here that I picked up, and I used a 20% off coupon on this guy, was this little table. I just thought he was adorable. I'm pretty sure it's an antique. It was $12.99, so with the 20% off, I probably paid $10 with tax and everything. So just a really cute little table. I think somebody had repaired it. You can see there's glue around here. They did not do a very good job of cleaning up their repair. I don't know if I'm going to try to pry the top back off of it, clean it up really good, and then re-glue it just so that it's a little more sturdy. or if I'm just going to leave it alone. I haven't decided yet, you guys, but I'm not going to paint this. I'm going to leave it natural. I'm just going to clean it up. It's in pretty good shape. I might use a little bit of stain to try and go over some of the nick marks in it, but other than that, it's in good shape. So I'm just going to leave it. But anyway, so that is it. Like I said, not a whole lot of items, but I really like the things that I got. So I feel like there's good value in all of it, which is always a good thing. And then lastly, I'm going to just take a quick video of the table and chairs that we picked up. It is an iron or metal bistro set that is just fabulous, you guys. It is so shabby chic and just gorgeous. It has this really pretty detail around the bottom edges of it. It's just a fantastic piece. I walked into the Goodwill, I saw it right away and just nabbed the tag off of it as fast as I could. It was only $49.99. I used a 20% off coupon, and so I think I paid $44 for it with tax. So great deal. I was really, really excited to get it. So I can hardly wait to show it to you. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, other than that, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the new product from Redesign and my thrift haul. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that, you guys. And if you haven't already, I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And then, of course, just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the new polys. If you have any questions on them, should I paint the frame on the pansy picture? And if you had a favorite object today or product, whatever. If you had a favorite thing in my haul today, let me know what that is too. And then, of course, I do carry a full line of DIY products here in the cottage. We already talked about Redesign with Prima, but I also carry DIY paint and products, as well as Sweet Pickins milk paint and products, and some Recycled Treasures decoupage papers. So again, that is www.theeclecticcottage.spokane if you need anything. And then let's see, for Saturday's video, it will definitely be another thrift haul, or thrift flip, sorry. But I have a few items already picked out and ready to go for Saturday's video. As soon as I can get this stuff cleared, I'm going to get started on them. So I can hardly wait to show them to you. I hope you'll join me back here on Saturday for that video. Until then, I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you then, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you on Saturday. Bye.